So hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial. Where in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can record voice and download as MP3 instantly without using any software over any platform you have. Even if you have some different Windows laptop like the Linux or any other Android or iOS as well. Now, in order to do it, all you need to do is just simply open any of the browser you have in here. You have to search for Vocaro. It spells like Vocaro. Here it is. Now here you can see the basic theme have been initialized. Now just simply tap on this option to start recording your. It's some language issue. Let's just simply translate it back to English. And once you are satisfied with your settings, now just simply tap on this red mic icon and start recording. And once you are satisfied, it will automatically download it to your system without any software or without anything. Alright, so that's it for this tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.